guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a fun one, I think so. We are going to, does it say anywhere on this box? No, it does not. We are unboxing Sigma. Sigma had a massive sale, and Sigma tends to send to me coupons, and I earn points. So this was originally $57 for the Little Mermaid collection. Now, I added a few things, and I had quite a bit of points that I did not realize that I had. So I got everything in here for a very good price. So let's get started. The Little Mermaid, I got the whole collection. So I will have duplicates, and I do have some of them that I can show you that I have. I'm not going to open any of the things that I already have. I kind of want to keep this collection together. That being said, let's see. We got, and I'll open these things later. I'm on a time crunch. We got the Little Mermaid eyeshadow palette, which, if you haven't seen, #1 palette in my collection, probably. #1 Sigma, that's for sure. These shades are astronomical. I love them. I love them. I'm debating on, don't do it. I was debating on putting it on my eyes. I have a dental appointment. So, that's what that looks like. And then you get the, I'm not going to pull these out. You get the blush and the highlighter, which I have right here. I haven't even tested out the blush yet. The highlighter, I'm actually wearing the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. Not up here. This is a different one, but you can see the here and a little bit on the lid. But that's those. The Little Mermaid lip set. So you get 3 lippies in here. Three lippies in there, and that's what they look like. Those are pretty. I will be trying these on. I have a feeling I know where the glitter one is going to end up. And I got the Little Mermaid brush set. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see this. Let's see. I'm sure I have all of these brushes. Oh, neat. And that's such a pretty bag. Yeah, I already know. I better enjoy this while I can. But it comes with, oh, these are nice brushes. Oh, yes. Yes, I do have all these brushes. But I don't think I have this one. But these are just really pretty. I love the colors on these. So that is that for the actual mermaid collection. You get brushes, lip cream, blush and highlighter. And these were $57 for all of this. And then I got one of these, I think was free. I don't remember which one, but one of them was free. And I got a little lip gloss. This one won't, because I needed something else to get the free thing. So I got the little mini lip gloss in Fable, or liquid lip, excuse me, in Fable. And then I got a liquid lip in Belladonna. And I want to say that I have this, but I might be wrong. That is a beautiful deep, deep color. And then I got this one, which is Cashmere. I think this one was the free one, because this is not a color that I would wear, judging from the carton. Yeah, that's just a little too light of a nude for me. But at any rate, that is the Sigma haul. I'm super excited for that entire Disney collection. So, at any rate, I'm glad you guys stayed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, because there will always be a giveaway. So, you just never know what you're going to get in it. Alright guys, as always, and as Abigail says, always be beautiful, be kind, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.